New Singapore food hub, ready in 2 years, will be able to cook up to 200,000 packed meals per day, twice the current capacity. Complete with robots and a data-driven system, it will be a $150 million investment into the country's food resilience. Clara Lee with more.
This robot is giving us a taste of how meals may be assembled in the future. Automated dispensers like these can slash time to produce and pack food by nearly half.
With a click of a button, this robotic arm can fill a container with these desserts. As compared to having people do this manually, robots like this one run 24/7. It also reduces human contact and the risk of contamination. While this prototype may take up to 5 seconds to get the job done, the larger industrial version takes only 2.
These machines will also boost capacity if used in the upcoming food hub by food solutions provider SATS. It now caters meals for airlines, hospitals, and even the Singapore Armed Forces. The 5-story building houses production kitchens, innovation labs, and even a center for visitors. Real-time data linked to a cloud will also help make processes faster and reduce food wastage. Trade and Industry Minister Gan Kim Yong says the plant bolsters long-term sustainability.
As a small and resource-constrained nation, food security and resilience have always been Singapore's priority. This has been brought into sharper focus in the face of global challenges such as climate change, supply chain constraints, and more recently, the outbreak of COVID-19 and the Ukrainian war.
The facility is going to be built near other local businesses to help them scale up.
This prime location in Jurong Innovation District allows us to tap into Singapore's innovation ecosystem to develop new products and services. We will deploy automation and robotics to achieve improved productivity, create opportunities for our people to upskill themselves and hone vital new skills for the future.
The completed facility will span around 20,000 square meters, or nearly 3 football fields.